If you're tired of making boring chicken dinners, this Tuscan creamy chicken is juicy, it's cheesy, it is smothered in a garlic Parmesan sauce. By the end of this video, you'll end up with a restaurant quality meal in less than 30 minutes. Let's get into it. We're going to start by making the stuffing. So I have some cream cheese in here. Next, we're going in with some bell peppers. All the measurement will be below. I have my sun-dried tomatoes. I went ahead and chopped them smaller. And also we have onion, also chop them small. If you can, some frozen spinach. Of course, you can use fresh spinach as well. And here I have the Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning with the Island Vibe Everything seasoning. I'll have that below. Add a little seasoning to that and mix everything together. And let's not forget the Parmesan cheese. This is going to come out so delicious. Everything is nicely mixed together. You have something like this. All right, guys, we have 2 chicken breasts here, boneless, skinless. I'm going to slice them right in the middle, just enough for me to have a flap like this. We're going to slice this one as well, right in the middle. Now, you're going to pat them dry. That way, the seasoning can really stick on there. Now, I'm going to drizzle. I'm using the sun-dried tomato oil. Why not? Just rub it all over inside as well. That way we can season the inside of the chicken. Now we're going to use the same seasoning. Season inside of the chicken generously, just like this. The inside. And you can grab my seasoning on my website, islandvibecooking.com. And if you have my seasoning in your kitchen right now, let me know in the comments how you like it. Once we're done seasoning the inside, we're going in with the stuffing, just like this. Now there you go. Don't overdo it. Just like this. It looks really good. And now we're going to season the outside of the chicken. You can flip it over too if you like. More flavor on all sides. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Now I'm using a toothpick to make sure everything is secure. That way the stuffing can just stay in there and not come out. So we're just gonna carefully add that in and make sure to remove them after they're done cooking, of course. And now we're ready to pan sear. So I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add the oil from the sun-dried tomato. I don't have to add too much. This pan has a technology of searing your meat nice and evenly without adding too much oil. So I'm going in with the chicken just like that. Beautiful. Once it's nice and golden brown, I'll flip it over. It is time to flip the chicken over. Woo-hoo! Look at that beautiful golden brown crust. Okay? The sear is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Oh man. Now let's let the other side get nice and golden brown as well. Then we'll remove it to make the creamy sauce. Ooh, that looks good. That looks real good. Going to set that aside. Looks amazing. Look at that. Yes, that's the color we're looking for. Listen, this is going to be so good. I can smell it already. We're going in with some garlic, okay? Garlic, of course. Making a garlic saucy sauce. Once you start smelling that garlic, here's what you're going to do. Grab you some heavy whipping cream. Smells real good. And pour that in there. Now let's go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. a little bit. You know what? I was saving this because it was too much to add into the chicken. I'm just gonna add that in. More flavor. Why not? Why not? It has all the delicious flavor in there, the cream cheese, the seasoning. And I'm going to lightly season this. Don't go too heavy. I'm using my Island Everything seasoning and a little bit of my Cajun crush. Okay. Now listen, here's what you're going to do. You're going to pour that creamy sauce into your baking dish. Now I'm going to grab my chicken. Just place that in here. Just like that. Now we're going to bake this on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, our chicken is done and it's looking amazing. Come take a look. And just like that, you made the most amazing, juicy chicken dinner. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's give it a try. I'm telling you, so juicy, so delicious. Flavor is on point. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that video with a thumbs up. That's how I will know you liked today's recipe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.